How's it going, everyone? Josh here from Blackfish AI, and today we want to break down some major misconceptions around AI automation. Specifically, we'll cover why thinking AI isn't capable enough yet is completely wrong, and why saying I don't have time to set up AI is actually holding your business back, and why fearing that AI will make my brain feel cold or robotic is outdated thinking. This video is definitely for you if you are spending countless hours replying to emails, DMs, and leads, and it's completely stalling your business growth. If you've already hired a virtual assistant, or maybe several, but you're still the bottleneck in your operations and your business, but you're still the bottleneck in your ops and customer follow-up. You know AI could significantly help your business, but every new tool feels overwhelming and just adds more stress. You're losing valuable leads every single week because no one follows up fast enough, or even worse, they don't follow up at all. You're dreaming about scaling a business without having to hire a big team, burn yourself out, or lose control of your operations. But before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Josh Boucher. I'm the founder of Blackfish AI. I got a background in psychology, so it helps me keep, a people first approach to building AI automation. I've spent the past 6 months creating dozens of custom AI automation specifically tailored for entrepreneurs. My mission is to help business owners like you escape burnout by leveraging straightforward, powerful AI automation. All right, let's dive right into it. First, let's debunk the limiting belief that AI isn't capable enough yet. The truth is, it's already driving millions in automated sales and seamless customer interactions every single day. In fact, Amazon and companies like it are already seeing their email AI tools are boosting their customer retention 20%, email driven sales revenue by 25%, and ROI by 300% without anybody lifting a finger. AI effortlessly handles complex tasks operating 24/7 without errors or fatigue. And early adopters who are embracing now are rapidly outpacing their competitors, capturing market share with remarkable efficiency. Just to give you a quick example of how this is playing out, this is a tool that I have built for a client. This is a cold sales outreach automation, and basically what's going on is it all starts at the query former over here. We just type in whatever country and industry we're looking for. Let's say I want to find some track companies in Canada to start selling AI automations to. That goes to this AI agent who is going to clone the queries into 1 or 200 more smaller queries about cities all over the country. And then the API scraper is that's this box over here. That's basically going to check all of the business listings in that area, run through each query one at a time, and it'll give you 500 or 600 leads in one go. And when those leads are done, those go to my researcher and writer down here, which will look through all of the leads, research each of them one by one, write them a cold sales email, and then save it as a draft in your inbox. But that's enough for now. I want to talk now about why thinking that I don't have time to set up AI is the ultimate time trap. Because here's the truth. Every single hour that you spend manually doing tasks that AI could easily handle is an hour you'll never get back. We're both business owners. We know what a valuable asset time is, and we just can't afford to spend it willy-nilly. Yes, the setup is a one-time effort, but avoiding this initial setup results in ongoing stress, and most importantly, every day you delay automation is another day your competitors move further ahead. reaping the benefits of an automated business. Lastly, let's clear up why worrying that AI will, make my brand feel cold or robotic is outdated thinking. Modern AI is sophisticated enough to perfectly capture your brain's unique voice, and automating your customer interactions actually makes your brand feel more responsive, consistent, and reliable. Far from replacing the human touch, AI actually frees you up to focus on creating deeper, more meaningful connections with your customer. Now, if any of this resonates with you, if you're ready to finally free your time, scale your business without burnout, Blackfish AI is designed exactly for entrepreneurs like you. Thanks so much for watching. I'm looking forward to connecting soon and hopefully showing you exactly how powerful and simple and transformative AI automation can be for your business.